Hello, I'm Andres Castrillon, President of Consensus International. In this video, I'm going to be showing three topics. First, opportunity management, a tool that allows you to keep track of all the sales that take multiple stages so you could increase the conversion rate of quotes and opportunities into sales. Two, we're going to be talking about service calls, which can be used not only to track warranties and repairs of products that you sell that are subject to after the sale service, but also could be used to track complaints and all the type of calls from your customers. And finally, we're going to be talking about project management, a tool that comes standard with SAP that can be used to manage projects for customers or even projects that are internal to your company. If you have any questions after that, please reach out to us. We'll be glad to answer those questions for you.
If I open opportunities, what it's saying is that I have an opportunity to sell to this customer. And this is a different type of screen. If you see that, you see the customer, what is the total amount that I expect, that I'm planning to sell to this customer. I give a name to the opportunity, and it has a stage. It's in 100% level, which means we already got an order probably linked to it. So I could say this is a sale that I'm doing, that I'm managing through a channel, a reseller, for example. I could create a project, and a project could be linked to a project that includes, even vendors if I need to invest, purchase, just do the proposal process. So I can do that as well. The stages, I define the stages, and I can't just go ahead and enter the different stages that I have, but I could create new stages and also, allocate any percentage of certainty of expected expected closing rate based on that specific stage. So in this case, lead means that there's 6% chance that I'm going to close this deal. When it's an order, I'm already 95. When I get an invoice, I'm saying that this is a 100% done deal. It's confirmed, right? And from here, I could even link the transaction. So in this case, I created a quotation initially, and it's linked to it. So this is what was quoted to this customer. And then this is the sales order, right, that I got from the customer. A little different to what originally quoted. And then I finally have the AR invoice with the what was delivered to the customer. So this is invoiced already. I can create activities as well, which are tasks, phone calls, notes, attach additional documents. So I could do additional stuff in this long-term process. I could see all the related documents all in one screen, all the quotes and proposals and invoices and deliveries or whatever it is, linked to the opportunity. But if I don't have an opportunity, a good way of managing the let's close and save this. My pipeline, then I'm not doing much, right, with it. So this is a graphical representation of the pipeline, and I could filter by customer, by territory, by sales rep, by whatever. So it's showing me the different stages here. And if I click in any of these, second stage, for example, it's going to show me all the opportunities that are in this stage. So I could, in addition to creating this report, I could also create a KPI that shows me how many opportunities I have that are in, for example, negotiation stage, so I don't forget. Typically, when you implement this process, this pipeline, management process sales, we increase the conversion rate by 30%. That's been the benefit that we've seen with customers. Yep, it's incredible because they have the visibility. What are the quotes that I have? What is the next step? What I have to do, right? So that's important. This is what we use internally in Consensus, actually, to manage the pipeline.
I hope you enjoyed this presentation as part of the workshop that we had for Macola customers, where we cover three topics: opportunity management, service calls, and finally project management within SAP Business One. We'll be glad to meet with you and show you SAP Business One how it would apply to your specific company. Thank you very much for your attention.